And as always, I love Luxie brushes. I will always love getting brushes in my Ipsy bag just because you can never have too many brushes, especially if you don't clean yours like you should, like I don't clean mine. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tea with Jackie P. I film videos every week. I film beauty, DIYs, food, and other random things. So if you like videos like that, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and we will be friends. So today's video is all about my Ipsy Unbagging. So I got my Ipsy bag in the mail, and I thought I would quickly film this for you guys and show you guys what I got in my bag and how it performed on my face and what I thought about the products. If you want to know what I got in my Ipsy Glam bag, keep watching and we will just get into the video. This is what the Ipsy bag looks like for the month of February. It is very Valentine's Day themed. So it's a really pretty bag. It's like a blush, dusty rose color with a black lace trim on it with this little Ipsy zipper thing. It's really cute. It's a lot cuter than the last one. So I approve, and we will just get started with what the first thing in the bag is, why I don't have any face makeup on, and it is this 5-minute facial mask primer from Belle, but it's a sheet mask. So I actually got 2 of them, so that's kind of cool. And what's funny is I see this in the store all the time and I never know if it works or not. So this facial mask has tea tree oil, rose hip extract, and vitamin C. It's supposed to enhance radiance, minimize pores, and even your skin tone. So we are supposed to put it on a clean, dry skin, remove the mask, leave it on for 5 minutes, peel off the mask, and then you rinse it off. That's weird. I've never used a sheet mask that you have to rinse off. I'm gonna put this on for you guys. I never put the masks on, but since this is a priming mask, I thought that I would test out its priming abilities. I just opened it and all the juice like squirted out on me. I also have this lovely pimple friend right here, so hopefully this like obliterates that. And this thing is so liquidy, like it is dripping. Oh, that's really cold. Okay. Oh, this is a look. I look like a monster. I literally look like what nightmares are made out of. So this is as best as it's gonna fit on my skin. I have an extra large nose, so this is not gonna cover my nose whatsoever, but let's just put it on my face. I need a timer. I have crap on my hands. Okay. I literally feel like I have no emotions while I'm wearing this. I cannot move my face. I feel like I just got out of surgery or something. I don't know. And I'm drooling. Or is that the mask getting in my mouth? So I'm gonna leave this on for 5 minutes and then I will come back. Okay, so I took the mask off and I'm still a little confused if this is supposed to be like a primer or if it's supposed to prep and prime your face for lotion and primer. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to literally just use it as a primer. My skin does feel nice and soft, but it is starting to feel dry just because I had to rinse the mask off because it says to rinse it off. What else I got in my bag is this Luxie brush. Love brushes. This is the 249. Ooh, that's all it says. Luxie 249. It's a dual-sided brush. So one is a fluffy type blending, and then this other side is more of a precision shader. And I only say that because I have a Luxie precision shader and it's like the same shape. So it's the hardest brush name to say. Then to go along with this, I got this Pacifica Beach Crystals Natural Mineral Eyeshadow. So this is super cute packaging. See if I can get it out of here. So the compact looks like this. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades in it. It comes with a little sponge and then the 5 shades here. So it ranges from brown to purples. I'm gonna go in with this copper color and I'm just going to kind of put it all over the eyelid with the Luxie brush. And I'm just going to use this as like a transition shade. So now I'm going to go in with this darker purple color here. Go into the center of the eyelid. This color is not as pigmented as I thought it was gonna be. Then now we are going to go in with this darker brown color, and we're just gonna kind of smoke out the eye a little bit. I think individually these colors are super nice on their own. You can't really make a look with these colors. They are too shimmery. Now I'm gonna go in with this darker gray color and kind of try to save this eyeshadow and smoke it out a little bit more. And we are getting nothing. Then I'm gonna go in with this lighter purple color. I'm actually gonna use my finger, and it's like this iridescent purple color, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid to kind of brighten it up a little bit. My final verdict on that eyeshadow palette, it is a really beautiful eyeshadow palette, but you cannot create a look out of this little palette if you got it in your bag. I would say no. Oh, I also got this Grow Long leave-in conditioner. My hair is already washed and everything, so I'm not going to use this, but I thought I would tell you guys about this product. Anyway, it's supposed to promote longer, stronger, healthier looking hair with shine. It detangles and repairs the rough feel of split ends and breakage. It says you could find these products at Walgreens, Walmart, Rite Aid, Ulta, and CVS Pharmacy. So I am just going to finish off the eye makeup, and then I will come back to put some foundation on so you guys can hear my opinion on how the primer worked. I tried to salvage what I could from my eye makeup. This eyeliner is a little too thick than this side, so it's just gonna be one of those days. I'm just going to go in with this BB cream. Like, it's not really applying any different than if I used a regular primer. I think that it's good to put it on and then apply a real primer on top, especially like a moisturizer, only because my face feels really dry and you don't want to put makeup on dry skin, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna go finish up my makeup, and then I will come back and then we will test out the lip product. So I am back. My makeup is done. The last piece of the bag that we have is this lip color from Mellow. It is in the color Tehran, I don't know. And it's a matte liquid lip paint, and it's just like this nude color. I'm hoping it comes out nude. It doesn't have a smell. If you're new to my channel, I smell stuff a lot. Sorry. Oh, it's liquidy. I really like formulas like that a lot. For me, this is like really nude. It's almost cool toned. Honestly, I love this color. Like, one of the best lip colors that I've gotten in my bag. So that was it for my bag. If you guys got any similar items, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you have a video that you want me to watch of your Ipsy Unbagging, let me know. I'll watch your video. If you like this bag, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye! TMI, so great. Love dry nose. Love dry skin. It's so great. Winter's the best. Okay. There's something on my lip.